Hello children, welcome to our English class. This is your Ramya. Children, in this session we are going to learn about sound of vowel A, E, I, O, U words together. Come, let's begin the class. Sound A words. C-A-T, cat. M-A-T, mat. B-A-T, bat. S-A-D, sad. D-A-D, dad. M-A-N, man. Again, C-A-T, cat. M-A-T, mat. B-A-T, bat. S-A-D, sad. D-A-D, dad. M-A-N, man. Next one. W-E-B, web. H-E-N, hen. P-E-N, pen. R-E-D, red. B-E-D, bed. N-E-T, net. W-E-B, web. H-E-N, hen. P-E-N, pen. R-E-D, red. B-E-D, bed. N-E-T, net. Next one. K-I-D, kid. L-I-D, lid. D-I-G, dig. W-I-G, wig. Z-I-P, zip. D-I-P, dip. Children, repeat with me. K-I-D, kid. L-I-D, lid. D-I-G, dig. W-I-G, wig. Z-I-P, zip. D-I-P, dip. O words. J-O-B, job. M-O-P, mop. L-O-G, log. D-O-G, dog. R-O-D, rod. G-O-D, God. Repeat with me. J-O-B, job. M-O-P, mop. L-O-G, log. D-O-G, dog. R-O-D, rod. G-O-D, God. U words. C-U-T, cut. H-U-T, hut. S-U-N, sun. B-U-N, bun. M-U-G, mug. J-U-G, jug. Repeat with me. C-U-T, cut. H-U-T, hut. S-U-N, sun. B-U-N, bun. M-U-G, mug. J-U-G, jug. I hope you all are understand this session. Children, come with me. We'll read together. Cat, mat, bat, sad, dad, man. Web, hen, pen, red, bed, net. Kid, lid, dig, wig, zip, dip. Job, mop, log, dog, rod, God. Cut, hut, sun, bun, mug, jug. Children, I hope you all are good in reading. Children, go through this session again and again and practice at home daily. Listen carefully this video, then you will get the pronunciation. And and write it to your English copy. As much as you write, then only you know the spelling. So please write again and again. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.